What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through one of the coolest packages that I've received in a really long time. A company called Gravastar recently reached out to me to show you some of their newest speakers that they developed. For those of you that have never heard of this company, they are pretty much a brand new company that was founded back in 2019. And according to their website, they are made up of a team of engineers, designers, cartoonists, gamers, audiophiles, basically a bunch of creative people that wanted to put their own spin on modern technologies. So with that said, rather than me awkwardly talking to you in this camera, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing process and then go from there. I'm first going to start off with the Mars Pro Black speaker. Inside the box, you get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a quick start guide. What's nice is that these speakers are ready to go out of the box, and the ones that I've received don't need any additional assembly.
Ready to pair.
The other Mars Pro speaker that they sent me was the War Damaged Yellow version. This one comes with the same packaging as the black speaker, but has a way more unique and detailed design. The Mars Pro speakers all feature triangular support legs that act as a form of shock absorption to make them more stable. One of the customizable features that I love about this speaker is the 6 RGB light options that you can choose from. One of the first things I notice about these speakers is the build quality. Instead of using a cheap plastic, they're actually made with a zinc alloy shell. Both of them are extremely well made with great details, especially on the War Damaged Yellow speaker. That said, I've always had a soft spot for matte black, and I love how clean the black speaker looks. Alright, let's get into some of the specs. These speakers use Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which helps with lowering power consumption, giving it a 15-hour battery life. It also helps with giving it a longer transmission distance. As for the sound, they use dual 2.5-inch full-range speakers, TWS technology, that gives them the ability to pair with another speaker, and they also use a proprietary dip audio algorithm that produces higher clarity and deeper bass. To get the best performance out of these speakers, I highly recommend going with 2 of them, as you're able to pair them using Bluetooth and separate the left and right channels. So the way you pair these speakers is by first holding the Bluetooth button down for 3 seconds on each speaker until you see the Bluetooth indicator light start flashing rapidly. Once you see this on both speakers, choose one to be your main speaker and hit the Bluetooth button once. On the other speaker, hit the Bluetooth button twice. Once you do that, the speaker should sync up.
Network connected.
To demonstrate these speakers, I wanted to try them out in 2 different environments. The first environment was in our living room with my Xbox. I've actually received a lot of questions about how to hook up speakers to the new Xboxes. The answer is typically going to come from running the audio through your TV or monitor. On my LG OLED TV, I just went to the settings and connected it via Bluetooth. The new generation of Xboxes don't make audio easy though. If you choose to do Bluetooth, be sure to switch your audio settings to stereo uncompressed. Even though it's hard to give you all the full immersive experience of what these speakers sound like, I did my best while recording this to give you a better sense of how these performed. While these did make my TV sound way better, I feel like they're a better fit for my office. If you're looking to run the audio through a monitor that doesn't have Bluetooth, you'll need to take advantage of the audio jack adapter. If you only have 1 speaker, this is easy enough, but if you have 2, you'll need to get an audio splitter like the one I used here. Once connected, you just need to plug it into your monitor. Having to use cables sucks, so for those of you like Dexter planning to use these with your computer or your phone, I suggest just sticking with the Bluetooth option. For those of you that don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on the Mars Pro speakers, you can choose to go with the Gravastar Venus Edition. The packaging alone on these makes it a pretty solid gift to give to someone. Inside the box you'll find a USB-C charging cable, the startup guide, and then the speaker itself.
Ready to pair.
Just like the Mars Pro speakers, these are made with a zinc alloy shell to make them feel even sturdier. The way you select which of the 6 RGB options you want, just press and hold down for a second the back 2 buttons simultaneously. Even though these are small, they still pack a punch. To better help show you, I wanted to demo it alongside one of the bigger speakers to give you a better idea of how they compare to each other. Overall, there are so many things to love about both versions of these speakers. It's clear that a ton of thought and time was put into not just the design, but also the overall build quality in general. Because of their unique design, they're probably not for everyone in every setting, but I know that there are plenty of gamers and sci-fi fans out there that these would make an awesome addition to their setup. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've included links to everything in the description. If there's anything that I missed or you feel that I could have done better with this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Other than that, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you all next time.